Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your iPad supports Apple Pay and that Face ID or Touch ID is set up. That's essential so payments authenticate. Next, open Wallet and tap the plus button to add a card. Use the camera to scan or type numbers manually. Once added, you must verify with your bank. Follow the SMS or app steps they send. Once the card shows as active in Wallet, you're ready to move to device and payment method settings. Once your card is verified, make it the default in Settings Wallet and Apple Pay so the right card appears at checkout automatically. Make sure Face ID requires attention or that Touch ID is enrolled. This prevents unauthorized use and explains why authentication matters. If you ride transit, enable Express Transit for quick taps without unlocking. Also review shipping and billing addresses. Matching bank records reduces declines. Once these are set, test a small in-store or online purchase to confirm everything works. To pay in a store, double-click the side button, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and hold the top of your iPad near the contactless reader until you see Done and a check mark. This indicates success. For apps and websites, select Apple Pay at checkout and confirm with your biometric or passcode. If payment fails, try restarting the iPad, remove and re-add the card, and make sure your bank hasn't flagged the transaction. If needed, contact your bank or Apple support for final resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.